Hey guys, this is Johnny with D2 Detailing located here in Branson West, Missouri. I wanted to share this 2024 Mustang with you. Pretty cool car. Came in new and had some pretty bad hard water spot etching, which is common with some of the new vehicles that happens during shipping. So did a pH balanced wash, stripped everything off the paint, gave it a paint enhancement, cut and polish, prepped it, and this Mustang got our 3-year coating. We have coatings from basic coatings, 1 year with no polishing, to 3-year, which is one of our most common, to 6-year coatings as well, that involve paint enhancement, full exterior coating of all surfaces, including lights, plastic composites, mirrors, all that jazz, and full interior detail. So just super glossy, and most importantly protected. Easier maintenance. If you got any questions about getting your vehicle coated, give us a call, 417-313-3147.